They shared that whole pickup with another manufacturer. Give me the manufacturer and the name of the vehicle, please.
Right. Isuzu D-Max. Right. I feel like I know this.
Go on then.
Is it a Ford Ranger?
No. 2 more guesses, sir.
Okay. Is it a Nissan?
It is not a Nissan. 1 more guess, sir.
Killing me here.
It's a tough one, isn't it?
Was the other manufacturer Japanese as well?
It was Japanese as well, yes.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man, I think I might have killed you.
Is it a Mazda?
It is a Mazda! What was the Mazda called?
Is it a Mazda Eagle?
Really? That don't exist. You know it don't exist.
Well, in Zimbabwe,
not
we do
Eagle.
have a pickup truck called the Mazda Eagle.
Oh, fair. But no, it's not the Eagle then. My bad. I don't think it existed. It's not the Eagle. You got 2 more guesses. Think
Okay.
of Mazda's current naming convention, but change the letters around and the numbers.